What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Universal Studios and this is gonna be a very wet day. Let's go do this.
Yeah, so Nate is back. We are hanging out with him tonight and we are going to attempt to ride Hagrid's.
However, it's currently closed, so we're gonna head that way.
Yeah, I mean, there's some pretty bad weather right now. A severe thunderstorm just rolled through. We're hoping it's cleared somewhat of the crowds out. Hopefully it cleared out some of the line.
A lot of people are leaving.
I don't know. It might be something where we go check it out and then we just use our express pass and just ride a bunch of other stuff. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So we were here on Thursday for the opening and then we left. That's probably why you didn't see any video, because we got here at 6:30.
This morning we are at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Actually, we're waiting in line. We're not actually in yet because Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure opens today. And it's only 6:53, but we're already here. And I was expecting the lines to be longer at this point. This park doesn't open till 9, but it's not too bad. There's only like a handful of people in front of us, so I'm pretty excited.
We were in line, they're like, it's gonna be a 4-hour wait from 9 o'clock from where we were at. Ended up being way longer than that, so I'm glad that we didn't stay. So, in spirit of that, we are walking the queue that everybody else had to walk on that day.
Actually, they didn't walk in it, they stood in it and would take a step or two.
I mean, they were moving somewhat, and
Eventually.
so that's what we're doing.
There was probably a good part of people that was standing at this very spot for at least an hour.
Oh, I bet.
At least an hour.
Got very comfortable with this view.
Yes.
They probably had this music stuck in their head all day too.
Oh, I don't think I could listen to this for like 4 hours. That'd be rough. And we're out of the line. We made it. No, we didn't. We still have ways to go. So right now we're trying to figure out where the actual line is at. Like, look, there's like nothing out here. I see a huge group of people up here swarming.
So the ride's still closed. We think we're in what's gonna be the line, because they're not really letting anybody in at the moment until the ride like reopens, I guess. So hopefully the weather clears up and we can actually get in line. But being clear back here in Hogsmeade is way better than being at the front of the park. So I'm okay with this. This is all we're here for, so we'll just see what happens.
Probably. I think that's why it's going on.
So these team members right here, these team members right now just played rock, paper, scissors to see who had to stay and who had to leave. And I think she lost.
I haven't.
All right, so
Second time of disappointment.
here's the scoop. We got here at like
We got in the
5:30.
line to get in the line at 5:30.
So basically what happened was the ride closed down probably first because of maintenance, then was closed down because of weather.
Yeah, there was lightning in the area.
It is now, nothing has happened here, weather speaking, since 6:30. So it's been over an hour. Nothing has happened.
The ride's not running at
The
all.
ride is still down due to mechanical maintenance. So we gave up. I can't sit there any longer. We've got the express pass. We're gonna go ride some stuff, but
Express pass after 4
It's 8.
with our annual passes.
I hate to say this, but like, yeah, they just apparently they really should not have opened this ride because they have
Not
not
yet.
been they've
Not
not
yet.
been able to actually run it the entire day,
It keeps shutting down.
let alone a few hours without having some type of issue that occurs. So,
Yeah, and not just from weather.
but
Really frustrating.
you know,
happen.
It happens. And here's the thing, you know what? In like 2 months, I can't do math. Galaxy's Edge is gonna open up and it's gonna totally dwarf that entire ride, I'm sure. And
everything else in Disney World.
Universal will then be a thing of the past again, I guess. I don't know what else to say. But we're gonna go ride Flight of the Hippogriff. We've never actually ridden that before.
We've never been on it.
And
we're gonna pretend we're riding in motorcycle cars.
That's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
We're still gonna salvage this day, guys. Is Hagrid there?
Yeah.
Hagrid,
We gotta talk.
That castle. Oh man, that was actually a thrilling little ride. Definitely comparable to
Goofy.
what's it called?
Barnstormer?
Barnstormer.
Barnstormer.
Definitely
Yeah.
comparable to Barnstormer. But you get such good views. Like that is like really high up there, and you could see the castle, and you could see Hogsmeade, you could see the Hulk out there running, you could see everything out in front of you, but we couldn't see the new roller coaster. It was all blocked off by trees over there.
Stupid Disney.
And Josh,
Stupid Christmas.
that's what I was thinking.
Stupid cribbit! Stupid tree! I hate Christmas!
Only thing I'm a little sad, Josh didn't get the Hippogriff on video.
Sorry. They told me to put the camera away, but then I was like, I brought it up. Oh well.
It was so cute. He was laying in a little nest.
Are we doing this now?
Yeah.
You wanna get some meat first or no?
Oh,
Oh, actually, let's do this way.
Here.
that's my butterbeer.
I don't
Don't let her fool you.
I don't drink this. I don't like it.
You don't like it, really?
No.
I thought we were all having a joke and how great it was there for a second.
Oh, I love
You were
butterbeer.
sarcastic. I was being serious.
She hates
No.
it. She hates it.
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna go to the other side. Universal's open up till 10. Taylor wants to ride
riding Gringotts.
She wants to ride Escape
It's
from
my
Gringotts.
favorite.
So we're gonna take the Hogwarts Express.
Heck yeah. We're going to
And-
platform 9 3/4, baby.
Here we go.
Hi guys! Welcome to King's Cross Station. You guys can exit right through here. Hey guys! Welcome to King's Cross Station. Right through here.
We get this same shot going through the brick wall every time we come here.
Well, I thought it's magic. Why are you running it for everybody?
What? It is magic. We just went through the wall.
I don't know that we've really actually been here in Diagon Alley
At
at night. What's happening? People want to hear. What's
I want to
happening?
know.
I called the Ministry of Magic. Hold on. 6, 2, 4, 4, 2. I haven't used a rotary phone in I don't know how long. Oh, I think I gotta hang it up. The Ministry, this entrance to the Ministry is currently closed until a rogue bludger has been caught. So we'll try again later.
Bye, Nate. So, of course, tonight did not go as planned at all. I don't even know if this is really even a video. We might just,
It'll be a video.
maybe we'll just archive this and make this
Nope.
when we finally get
I'm gonna
on.
edit and post it tomorrow.
When we finally get on Hagrid's. When we finally get on Hagrid's, we'll like have
Hagrid's.
4 or 5 different trips of just useless video, and we can just be like, "This is the 5th time.
We finally got to ride.
Today is the 6th time we finally made it onto Hagrid's."
That is our 27th time, and we finally rode it.
But yeah, we're gonna end the night. Nate is saying to watch the fireworks. I'm sure he's gonna have it in his video. So if you don't know, Nate is paging Mr. Morrow. So go check that out.
We haven't hung out with them in a long time.
And it
Red
just-
lights.
It's got dark. The show is gonna start.